Hello everyone. So today I am so excited. We have got the brand new out today Topps Chrome Formula 1. This just got delivered and yeah, I'm excited but nervous. This is literally the most expensive card pack that I've ever bought. So yeah, it says look out for Chrome autograph cards. I think it's like 1 in 3 boxes has got an autograph in it. Let's hope that this is 1 in the 3. So yeah, really like the design of this. I like all the lightning and stuff. Only Charles and Oscar look happy to be there on that. On the side, we've got Alex Albon, Valtteri Bottas, and Ocon. Then Stroll, Ricciardo, and Kevin Magnussen. So 12 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Okay. Oh, I'm excited but nervous. I'm so nervous. I just want an autograph, would be so cool. Okay. So how do I open this? Like this. Okay. And then that goes like that. Okay. So here we go. First pack. Let's try and not look at the back card. Okay, oh my god. The first card is one that I'm going to have to throw away. There we go. We've got Villa Gomez. These cards are very pretty. Oh my god. Go away. We got Lando Norris. Glad to finally get a Lando card. That's pretty cool. I'll put that in my little pile. We got Zhou Guanyu. We got Maria Marti. We got a Yuki Tsunoda out of 50, number 45 of 50. I don't know the names of these cards, like what type of card they are, but this one has got like a really lovely like bit of damage on it where it's got the printing card from the next card, I think, like the printer off of it, but yeah, pretty nice card. And then we got Roman Stanek, F2 card. Okay, so first pack we got a Lando card, so that's good. And then let's have a look at the rest. I'm hoping for Lando, Colapinto, Charles, Carlos, any of those. Charlie Wurz. We got Lewis Hamilton, pole position. We got future stars Joshua Dufek from F3. I don't really watch F3 that much, but Sergio Perez. We got Oscar Piastri, Grand Prix driver of the day for the Japanese Grand Prix last season. We got Valtteri Bottas. It's a pretty nice card, like that. We got oh my god, we got a numbered Carlos Sainz pole position card. 63 of 199. That's a nice one. And then we got a helmet Oscar Piastri. That's pretty cool as well. Okay. Oh, what a legend. We got Michael Schumacher. The main reason I got into Formula 1 back in like 98. Nice. We got Oscar Piastri. It feels like it's got 2 cards. There we go. Taylor Barnard. Casper Stoos. Yeah, I can't pronounce that. We got Kevin Magnussen. Like that card a lot. Do love K-Mag. Gabriel Mini. We got a numbered Fernando Alonso. It's a really nice pink one. Numbered out of 225. And then we got Speed Demons Valtteri Bottas. So, put that over there. No autos yet. I'm not holding out hope, but you never know. We got the pole position Carlos Sainz, same as the numbered one that we got. We got Tramines, Max Verstappen, F1 Sprint winners. These cards are so nice. We got Sophia Flörsch, Sergio Perez. Future Stars out of 50, Tommy Smith. Pretty nice. Put that with my numbered. And then we have George Russell. I'm throwing them down a bit more carefully than I normally would. So. Okay. We got Jack Crawford, Alex Albon. Just seeing a card that I love. Can't pronounce this guy's name, I'm very sorry. We got the Lando Norris. Like that one, obviously. Put that in my pile. Joshua Dirksen. Future Stars Isaac Hadjar. We got Kushmini. And then Speed Demons Zane Maloney. So, Sergio Perez, Oscar Piastri, Yuki Tsunoda, Teo Porsche, award winners, Fernando Alonso. Oh, we got an autograph. Okay, so it's number 50 of 50. It's Amore Cordial. That is the worst signature I've ever seen, but it is a signature. Probably not going to make it to Formula 1, but still a pretty cool card, and it's 50 of 50, so can't complain too much at that one. Ollie Behrman, and then we got Speed Demons, Lando Norris. Nice. I can go in my little Lando pile. Can't complain at the fact that I've got an autograph, because I know it is only like 1 in 3 boxes I think gets an autograph, so would have preferred someone from Formula 1 or whatever, but still, it's an autograph. So we got Nico Hulkenberg, Bogdanovic, we got Zach O'Sullivan, Lewis Hamilton. That's a pretty cool card. Not the biggest Hamilton fan, but that is a cool card anyway. Juan Manuel Correa, Future Stars Dirksen. I feel like I've got so many Dirksen cards. We got Nico Rosberg on this checkered flag kind of print. And then Sergio Perez recharged. Okay. Folio Vonarone. Yeah, I can't pronounce these guys' names. Sergio Perez. Richard Verschoor. Charles Leclerc. We've got a cool card coming up that's a dual colour one. Oscar Piastri. Fernando Alonso. Kane Shields. Are these numbered? I don't know. I don't think they are numbered, but it's a pretty cool card anyway. Very Christmassy. And then we got Zhou Guanyu Camber card. They're kind of cool. We're on to our last, our last bit down here. Ugh. So we got Future Stars, Oliver Behrman. That is a good one. I like Oliver Behrman. Tim Tremenes. Taylor Barnard. Joshua Dufek. Luke Browning. We got pole position Charles Leclerc. Another coloured one. We got Nikola Toslov. And then recharged Lewis Hamilton. So, Daniel Ricciardo. Legends Alain Prost. Nice card. Kane Shields. Enzo Fittipaldi. Yuki Tsunoda. Arvid Lindblad. Future Stars Roman Stanek. That's a duo colour one. There's a lovely little bit of a scratch on it. And then Kevin Magnussen. I like these cards. They're pretty cool. Like them. Okay. Kane Shields. I think that's how you pronounce his name, I'm not sure. Maria Marti. Callum Voisin. Tommy Smith. Tommy Smith. Max Verstappen, driver of the day. Lando Norris, driver of the day. Another one for my little pile over here. And Daniel Ricciardo. So, on to our last pack. Let's have a look. I don't know how many like numbered cards you're supposed to get or anything like that, but yeah. Lawrence Van Hoopen. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but there we go. Dennis Hauger. Alexander Dunn. Award winners Max Verstappen. That is a cool card. I like that. That's nice. Lewis Hamilton. Kevin Magnussen numbered out of 99. That's nice. Speed Demons. That's a good card. I like that. Like that. Ayrton Senna Legends card. And then finishing it off with a Speed Demons Charles Leclerc. So, yeah. That's everything I got. Probably... This is a pretty cool card. 50 or 50, but I don't know, like... if it's worth much. Probably not. The rest of the numbered cards we got were the Tommy Smith one. Fernando Alonso. The Carlos Sainz, which is probably my favourite one. And then the Yuki Tsunoda. But I did get some Lando cards, which is always a good thing. So I got the Driver of the Day. Speed Demons. Just Lando. And then the Driver of the Day from Sao Paulo and Mexico. So there we go. That is everything that I got from my hobby box of Topps Chrome. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.